Dave with the Prepper Bookshelf, and today I'm going to review a book that I bought several times. Checked out at the library. My school library had the whole library card just filled with me checking this book out, and that is The Complete Walker 3, and it's relatively old. This last time I got it at the used bookstore for about $2. But and this book is about backpacking, right? And camping, and being camping light enough that you can carry all your own equipment. There's a little bit of modification stuff in here, a lot of packing lists, a lot of good information on how to operate your equipment, what to look for when you buy equipment. I've read this book cover to cover, I don't know, 20 times or so when I was in middle school and high school. And when I saw it at the bookstore, I just had to grab it because, it's a good book. If you're into backpacking or camping, you're probably familiar with it already. And if you're not, but you want to do, say, a bug out bag, then this can probably help you, because if you're bugging out, if you're going to carry everything on your back that you need to survive to go from this location to this location, I mean, isn't that backpacking? Right. If you go backpack for 2 weeks in the woods, carried everything on your back, well, by definition, wouldn't that be a bug out bag? It probably would. And so this is a good book that you can look at to help you design that. So The Complete Walker 3 by Colin Fletcher. I totally recommend it. You ought to get it, especially if you can get it at a used bookstore for $2 or so. So until next time, you can always catch us online, www.prepperbookshelf.com.